What would happen to your body if you ate an avocado every day? This nutrient-packed fruit offers incredible health and beauty benefits. Various studies reveal how it impacts our appearance and well-being. So, what exactly happens if you make avocados a daily part of your diet? Would the results really be that impressive? We'll answer all these questions and more, so keep watching. But before we dive into the details, welcome back to Be Your Health. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and is no substitute for professional health advice. Number 10. Better digestion. Avocados are also fantastic for your digestive system. The high fiber content in avocados keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and overall gut health. The fruit's natural oils help soothe the digestive lining, reducing inflammation and promoting nutrient absorption. Including avocados in your diet can lead to regularity and fewer digestive issues. Number 9. Fresh breath. Always one of the main culprits behind bad breath is indigestion or stomach issues. Fortunately, adding avocado to your daily diet can help prevent that. Avocados contain antibacterial and antioxidant flavonoids that kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, keeping your breath fresh. Remarkably, avocados may even help in preventing oral cancer. According to research from Ohio State University, Hass avocado nutrients can eliminate oral cancer cells and prevent precancerous cells from turning into full-blown cancer. So, toss out your breath freshener and reach for an avocado. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Number 8. Improved kidney function. Avocados contain potassium, a mineral that helps maintain a healthy fluid balance through chemical channels in your cells and organs. A proper fluid balance ensures better kidney function, making avocados highly recommended for those with kidney issues. However, there's one caveat: if you suffer from hyperkalemia, high potassium levels, you should avoid avocados, as their high potassium content can be harmful. If you're unsure whether to include avocados in your diet, consult your doctor for advice. Number 7. Lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. High cholesterol and triglycerides are risk factors for heart disease. Avocados can help by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. A study conducted in Mexico found that regular consumption of avocados can lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides by up to 22%, while raising HDL cholesterol by 11%. Just one more reason to love avocados. Number 6. A healthier liver. Avocados are one of the best foods for supporting liver health. They help your body produce glutathione, an antioxidant your liver needs to filter out harmful substances and protect itself from damage. Avocados also provide vitamin C and E, a powerful combo that fights free radicals and further safeguards your liver. Additionally, vitamin E and vitamin K, both present in avocados, help reduce inflammation at the cellular level. This makes avocados a true powerhouse when it comes to liver protection. Number 5. Lower blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, avocados should be your go-to snack. The potassium in avocados helps balance fluid levels, which in turn lowers blood pressure. A study from the Federal University of Espírito Santo in Brazil found that people who consumed potassium-rich foods had significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So, if you're looking for natural ways to manage blood pressure, consider adding avocados to your daily routine. Number 4. Enhanced vision. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Studies from both Chinese and European scientists show that these carotenoids are crucial for maintaining healthy retinas. Adding avocados to your diet can go a long way in preserving your vision. Number 3. Cancer prevention. The monounsaturated fats and carotenoids found in avocados contribute to cancer prevention, particularly against breast and prostate cancers. Studies have shown that avocado compounds can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Although research is ongoing, the potential cancer-fighting benefits of avocados are impressive. Number 2. Weight loss. Avocados are rich in fiber, which helps with weight management. Fiber keeps you feeling full longer and aids in digestion. According to dietary guidelines, women should consume at least 0.8 ounces of fiber daily, while men should aim for 1.26 ounces. Just by adding avocado to your diet, you can promote weight loss. Pair it with other fiber-rich foods like apples, sweet potatoes, or strawberries, and you'll be on the fast track to a slimmer you. For even better results, combine it with regular exercise. Number 1. Glowing skin. Avocados aren't just good for eating, they're great for your skin too. Rich in vitamin C and E, avocados help boost collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Vitamin E also protects your skin from sun damage, while omega-9 fatty acids in avocados keep your skin hydrated and reduce irritation. Incorporating avocados into your skincare routine can give you a radiant, youthful glow. Avocado toast recipe. Want to get more avocados in your diet? Here's a simple, delicious recipe for avocado toast. 1 ripe avocado. 2 slices of whole grain bread. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 pinch of salt and pepper. Optional toppings: a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, red pepper flakes, or microgreens. Instructions. 1. Mash the avocado in a small bowl with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 2. Toast the bread slices until crispy. 3. Spread the mashed avocado mixture over the toast. 4. Add your favorite toppings, and enjoy. Testimonial. I started eating an avocado a day about 6 months ago, and the changes have been remarkable. Not only has my digestion improved, but my cholesterol levels have also decreased, and my skin has never looked better. It's such a simple addition to my diet, but the results speak for themselves. Plus, avocado toast has become my go-to breakfast. I feel energized and healthier overall. Sarah, 32. So, what are you waiting for? There are so many benefits to eating avocados, it's hard to pass up. Do you love avocados? How often do you eat them? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated.